How much cumin was that again? It seems like a lot.
The recipe specifies 2 tablespoons, David. I've highlighted it on the screen.
Ah, perfect. Thank you.
AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to assist you. Most people don't understand this. AI is not the enemy. AI is the new leverage.
I keep hearing the same question: is AI coming for our jobs? Here's my take. AI is a power tool, I'm still the one holding it. When I use AI right, it saves me time on the boring parts, so I can spend more time on the creative parts, summarizing long reports, drafting a first pass on emails, generating outlines, cleaning up data, suggesting code. That's not replacement. That's an assistant handing me options, so I can make the call. I treat AI like a super-fast intern with perfect memory and zero ego. I give it clear instructions. I check the work, I own the final result. If it suggests 5 ideas, I keep 1, remix 2, and delete the rest. The win is speed plus perspective. AI spots patterns in piles of info I'd never finish by lunch. It helps me brainstorm past the obvious, translates, summarizes formats, so I can focus on judgment, taste, and context. The human stuff. But here's the line. I don't outsource trust facts, numbers, promises. I verify I don't paste confidential data into random tools. I never let AI make decisions about people without a human review. A simple workflow. Prompt with context and constraints. Get a draft. Fact check and tweak. Add human voice and finish. That loop turns AI into a co-pilot, not a pilot. This is like cameras getting better. Better cameras didn't replace photographers. They raised the bar for everyone. AI does the same for knowledge work. So don't fear the tool. Own it. Use AI to handle the heavy lifting: your taste, your values, your story. That's the part no model can replace. And that's why I'm excited. Let's build with assist, not replace.